trash, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this.
Hi, my name is Krishana, and if you're tired of your hair looking straight like I get tired of it, watch this video because I'm about to show you how you can use pipe cleaners to make your hair look good, girl. Let's just get straight to the point. So, of course, you're going to need pipe cleaners. How many you get is depending on how many locks you have. I have about 200, so I got the 100 pack. Yeah, just based on what you think you need. So, you're going to take that pipe cleaner, fold it in half. You see that? Twist it. And keep twisting it all the way down. You want to loop at the bottom like that. Go ahead and prep it so you're not doing it while you're doing your hair. Go ahead and put your favorite hair oil all over your scalp, and you're gonna need you some foam setting mousse as well. Take a good amount, put it on about 3 locks, and here we go. You put it through that loop, remember, at the bottom that we made, and you're just going to twist your hair around and up. It's so simple. I don't know how else to explain it, and you just keep twisting and twisting and twisting. Make sure you got you a good show or movie on because you're gonna be doing this for a minute, especially if your locks are as small as or smaller than mine. We're making some really good progress so far. So I finished this whole half basically, and the whole back. We just have like a quarter of it left. Oh my goodness, watch, it's gonna take me like 30 minutes just to do this part. It's crazy because I remember when my locks were actually this length. Oh, okay, let's get to work.
Station centers, I'm an HST, I'm a DSP, I'm food. Right, they're food. That's what I'm saying, but it was just windy and it was just raining. Yeah. No, we just came from the pool, and I was like, it's might as well. They all I had. They looking at me, the biggest.
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel, you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you, yeah, yeah. Only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. You can smile, but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. Should they fold that bitch, no yoga mat? Chat. Should they dare that nigga, don't hit me back? Chat. Should I ran that nigga, no questions asked? Chat. They chatting, they chat.
I finally finished my entire head. Oh my goodness. But I'm about to sit under the dryer and we gonna see. I might be able to take it out today if it dries well. Good morning. It is the next day. Yesterday I ended up sitting under the dryer for like a good hour, like rotating the thing around my head so like the air would blow at all sections. Went to sleep on it. I finished that at around 7 p.m. and it's like 9 in the morning now. My hair has been sitting for a second. I'm hoping it's dry enough. I'm a little scared. I mean, it feels pretty dry to me. So of course I'm gonna put some oil on my hands. A moment of truth.
Everything made me feel lonely. Had something going on, it's just a hole. Try to put good, it's hard enough, no wanna hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I run it up, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, that's my second life. That's me, passed out on a nigga backseat. Cast out on the backseat beach. Oh, you know my body. Oh, you know that's me. Bitch, tripping, you might get me.
So far, I'm making really good progress. I'm halfway done. I haven't pulled them apart yet. I want to pull all of them apart like at the same time. This is nice. So let's just do this over here.
I give you this type of feel, you ain't the first to. I swear I only a piece of that one thing.
Yeah, yeah, only want your love if it's
But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it.
gonna smile underneath bitches.
That's the way I like it.
Wiping them down in front of these niggas.
That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
I am almost done. It looks so cute so far. Like, this is so cute. It's like I have my afro back. Oh my goodness. This is adorable. I have this much more to like unravel. So let's do that.